Hey all, we are back. Today, we are going to Indonesia. Raven is calling.
So, kaka-pasture lang namin sa immigration. And ngayon, nag-aantay kami. kasi yung tatlo, wala pa rin. Ang tagal na namin nag-aantay. And apparently, na-held up si Raven due to wala pa siyang e-travel. So, ayan na sila! It's currently 2:07 in the morning. And we just bought some food. PA is currently working. Hi. And we are eating. Hi guys. We are boarding.
How are you feeling?
Groggy, hindi ako nakatulog sa plane.
We are now here at the van and talaga namang nasubok ang ating mga pagsasamahan sa unang ilang oras pa lamang dahil ang nangyari po ay kaming apat nakalabas po sa immigration via the e-gate. And si Sai, nung tinatry niya ng ilang beses yung passport niya, hindi siya pinapapasok dun sa e-gate, hindi siya nakaka-pass through. So, she had to fall in line doon sa sa manual na immigration, which is ilang immigration officers lang, parang dalawa. So, maswerte na yung tatlo nung marami-rami pang tao. So, inabot lang naman po kami ng isang oras. Oo, na parang feeling namin naging lokal na kami bago nakalabas si Sai. Pero ngayon, okay naman na. We are on the way to our villa to drop our bags. And after, we are going to eat around Canggu area. We are so excited.
Walang magda-diet ngayon. Depende kung may budget.
We are now here at our brunch. It's now 11 a.m. and nakapag-backdrop na kami sa aming villa and we rented a motorcycle para mabilis ang transportation for only 100,000 rupiah a day. So, sobrang mura niya kesa pag nag-Gojek ka every stop na napupuntahan mo. About 30,000 rupiah. So, ayun, 100,000 for a day. Tapos si Anya nag-drive. Medyo kinabahan ako. Syempre.
Kinabahan din ako kasi una, ang usapan, siya ang mag-drive. Kaso,
I tried. Pero paglabas, medyo mabigat pala siya. At ano na yun
ako.
medyo kinabahan kaming dalawa. So sabi ko, Anya, eto na ang helmet. Binigay ko sa kanya helmet and then we drove
Milk and Mad.
20 minutes
To Milk and Mad.
to Milk and Mad. Before anything else, kailangan namin mag-air sa floor for our gut health. Let's cheers!
We're at Coco Mart And we're currently finding sunscreen. Apparently, wala sila ngayon. Ang mabibili lang namin today is yung dalawa or isang galon ng tubig plus yung Pantene na collagen conditioner ni Sai.
Where are you from?
Fantasy ka naman dyan, girl.
Soul Travel. Hey y'all, it's 3 p.m. and we got the keys to our villa. Let's do a villa tour. So, we got this through Airbnb. And nakapag-drop na kami ng mga gamit namin kaninang 9 a.m. And now, pwede na mag-check in. Kung malalaman ko paano magbukas na yan. Ayun! There we go. So this is Kesha Villa. We have 3 rooms, a sala, a working kitchen, and your own private pool. Yan, panalo dito. Here is the garden slash private pool. Meron tayong lanay, mini lanay here. And let's go to the sala. Welcome to the sala kung saan merong living room, merong 2, 4, 6 6-seater na dining table. Meron ding working kitchen with all the tools, merong stove, heater, microwave and all. Tapos meron ding mga plates para in case na magluluto tayo. Merong ref, common CR, sink, and let's go. This connects to the first bedroom, which is Raven's. This is Raven's bedroom. Ta-da! Simple with the ensuite, toilet, and bath. Let's go to the next one. This is our room. Anya and I will be sharing one room. Meron ding ensuite, toilet, and bath. And finally, dito tayo sa room nila Kim and Sai.
Ay, gusto ko yung room tour. Hi, guys!
Kung saan, iniwan namin yung mga luggages namin kanina 9 a.m. And here's their room. Same layout lang din with their own ensuite, toilet, and bath.
Hey all, good morning. Today we are going to Ubud, but it's only 6 a.m. so we are going to a breakfast place near our villa called Gigi Susu. na sikat sila sa kanilang coffee. No, pastries. So, we are going to go there. Come on. Let's go. Hey y'all. Today we are going to Ubud, and here's our service for the day. He will be driving us for 12 hours. We are with Gede, and
Yeah.
he will be taking us for the day
Yes.
in Ubud.
Okay. Oh, you are recording.
Yes.
Yeah, I didn't see it. Sorry, Kuya. Yeah, we go to Ubud today, guys. Yeah, Ubud. Ubud tour. Yeah. I didn't see the camera, Kuya.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Do you have
Yeah.
many guests, Filipino guests?
Yes, Kuya. 95%. It's
Wow!
almost
Ay,
it's
TikTok kasi.
yeah, almost it's all of you. Yeah.
She found you on TikTok.
Yeah.
Okay.
Wow.
Yeah.
You live near Canggu?
Yes, Kuya. I live in Denpasar.
Denpasar.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, Kuya.
We are telling Gede that he should go to the Philippines,
Yeah, sure,
but
sure,
only
yeah.
to Baguio,
Yeah, Baguio.
only to Tagaytay. Do you know Tagaytay?
I think so, yeah.
Yeah,
That sounds
Tagaytay.
familiar also.
You should also go to only the near places in Manila. But
Yeah.
once you go flying to like Siargao,
Yeah.
Palawan,
It's not
it's so
recommended.
expensive.
Not recommended.
Yeah.
Okay. Note.
Yes,
Yeah.
it's better to go international.
Okay. Yeah.
Because Filipinos are scammers. Filipinos scam fellow Filipinos. What more? Foreigners.
Okay.
Diba?
So no good.
Yes.
Yeah.
Ate, baka isipin
And
natin
you know the tourism,
Yeah,
tourism in the
yeah.
Philippines. The what do you call that? The director,
Yeah,
the director of tourism
Yeah.
is posing on her own.
Was it? No.
Yeah, and putting in the tarpaulin,
Yeah.
her face only, not the tourist spots of the Philippines.
For fish only?
It's crazy, right?
Crazy, yeah, true.
Bawiin nyo naman eh.
Yes.
It's just expensive.
Paano tayo babawi? Ano bang maganda pa? But the food is similar. I think
It's
the
good.
food is similar.
Okay, nice.
Pagkain lang yung binawi. Eh, no?
We attend. Yeah. Registration, Disney, Canteen.
We are now here at Alasan Adventure, and we are going to ride our ATV for an hour and a half. Are you guys excited? Yes. How about you? Super. paano?
And we are done with the ATV. Ang daming ganap. Mamaya tayo magde-debriefing. And for now, we are going to have lunch because it's past 12. And after lunch, we will go to a coffee bean plantation, which papakita natin, mag-tour tayo.
And this is the animal.
What's that?
Musang.
Musang?
We call it musang or luwak. This is the animal, the one that produce the coffee. So they eat the coffee beans after they eating, and then they put it out, we collect, then we make coffee from.
He's the
from
only one?
We have two of them, but we don't use Johnny to produce the coffee, so we use the wild one in the forest. We got lots of them here, but they live in the forest. This is the traditional. Just take it out and then put it here, and then just. This is the regular coffee. This is similar to coffee, but it's quite strong and bitter. It's mapait and musang. Musang coffee is less bitter, less bite. And this is the poop from the. This is the poo how it look like. Look at that. Yeah, so after the eating, and then the poo is look like this. So then we wash them. This is after clean. After wash, it's big difference. Then we remove the skin, just get the bean inside. See? So the bean inside is very clean because the shell is protected. It's take very long process, you know. And then this one is ready to roast it. So we roast them and then we grind. That's how we. The special one.
Ako na? Oh, so
Bali
you don't
this
have
is
Robusta
no
here?
robusta.
This is the luwak.
Yes, this is the robusta. This is the bali. Yes, this is the bali.
Ano na ba? Nasaan na? Wait lang. Ay, ganun. Sarap
Sige
daw.
nga.
Hindi ganun kapal. Akala ko.
Okay, so go that way and then just go back. Okay?
Ah,
Yes, I will do.
Napaghahalata. Napaghahalata tayo.
Bibilin ko coconut.
This is ginseng.
Ginger.
This is Bali mochi.
I go for the Milo. Ano yung masarap ate? Bawas na bawas yung Milo. Bili na lang kayo ng iba. Huwag lang yun yung wag baka mas mura. Oo, bili na lang.
Okay,
Para
okay.
sa lahat ng tinitignan ko lagi may ano. Lasang bili. Na medyo may ano lang.
We are here outside the Ole Ole or the Pasalubong Center, and in short, we got budol. Naka-isang box tayo ng pasalubong. Si Anya naka isang malaking eco bag. Magkano ang total?
2 million.
2 million rupiah. Ako naka 750. Mala-mala. So,
Inalisan mo kasi kami. Hindi ka na nagpunta.
umalis na ako. Umalis na ako kasi pag hindi ako umalis, marami pa ako makikita, girl. Kaya nag-check out na ako. Good morning, y'all. Today is our third day and we are off to Uluwatu. We are going to This is a beach day today, and we are also going to Malini. We have a reservation at Malini, a restaurant. And later tonight, we are going to watch a cultural dance show, something like that, in Uluwatu as well. And we're still with Gade. He will take us all the way to Uluwatu and take us back home. I'll see you guys later.
So we're gonna be watch the dance at Melasti Beach, okay?
Yeah.
So for Uluwatu Temple, just visit only.
How much is the ticket at Melasti?
Melasti entrance 5%. I think it's around. Before I bring two, it's 50,000. So how much is that? I think around 30 maybe.
It's
Yeah,
cheap.
yeah, and then after that going down to the Kecak dance.
Okay.
The Kecak dance ticket it's 150, okay? For
Okay.
one person. Yeah, so first how you call it, Tanah Barak cliff.
Yeah.
After that we visit that one Uluwatu Temple.
Yeah.
And then after that you said you have booked it at Malini, right?
Yeah.
Malini? 3:30. Okay, so maybe after the Uluwatu Temple we go to Malini, and then you spend time over there until maybe 4:30,
Yeah.
and then we go to Melasti Beach. Is it good?
Yes.
Okay, yeah.
We are now here at Pandawa Cliff. We are going up to the cliff via this shuttle bus. And we are overlooking the beach. And later, after this, we are going to the Melasti Beach. Here's the beach. Wala pa pala.
Oh my God. Kaya okay lang kahit mag-ginger.
We are here at the cliff, and that's the famous photo spot. And in front of me is the beach. We are now here at Bajana, here in Uluwatu. It's about 30 minutes away from the cliff, and we are going to have our lunch here. Medyo mahal siya actually. 150k, about 500 pesos. Kaya maghahati-hati kami. Ganon. We are now here at the Uluwatu Temple, or the Monkey Temple. We are just, sightseeing. Look at this, oh. Hey! No! We are staying vigilant dahil ang daming monkeys everywhere. And kanina muntik na makuha yung power bank ko na nakasaksak sa phone ko. We are now here at Malini restaurant. We are having our snacks before we go to the beach. And then we are also going to watch the Kecak dance, or the cultural Balinese dance at the beach. So
susi.
Ano to? Ano to? Flavor?
Hami. Korean, ito yung Korean.
Korean kinaperlu? Sige.
Hidup amat menghadapi geramu. Tetapi sejalan dengan mental dan kapal.
Right now, I am on my way to the emergency room because Anya had to see a doctor because she's been feeling ill since yesterday. And hindi na siya makatayo, hindi na siya sumama kanina sa breakfast. And now it's lunchtime, hindi pa rin siya nakakakain. And I told her that we should get into the ER para masaksakan siya ng IV para sa kanyang belly band. Because I think this is caused by belly band. I don't know what caused it, kung anong nakain niya or whatsoever. But we are going to see a doctor right now. We are back from the clinic and hindi na kami nagpa-IV drip because sinisingil kami ng 7 million rupiah, which is about 24,000 pesos plus. So, hindi na namin kinagat dahil sobrang lala, yes. And kami pa yung pumunta nun sa clinic hindi sila mag-home service, kami yung nandun sa clinic. And sinisingil kami ng 6 million for the IV fluids and 1 million rupiah for the oral meds. 1 million for the oral meds. So bumili na lang kami sa labas. Humingi na lang kami ng prescription, which is about 200, hiwalay pa siya dun sa consultation. Consultation ay 300,000 and the prescription is 200,000. So 500,000 na agad. So pagkakuha namin prescription, dumaan kaming pharmacy to buy the medicine. We have antibiotics and for the GERD dahil the doctor said the condition, what she's feeling is GERD or something about the stomach. So she gave her meds for the pain, for antibiotics also, and something for her cough. Tapos, bumili kami ng Buscopan and Gaviscon for the stomach lining. Mas nakamura kami actually nung bumili kami sa pharmacy because pumapatak lang siya ng mga 900,000 rupiah. So now, nagpa-grab food lang kami ng kanyang lugaw para makakain na siya because she has to take all the oral meds after a meal. And hindi pa siya nakakain ng maayos since yesterday. Hey y'all, good morning, and today like early in the morning, pero bumawi naman ng hapon. Okay. Ayan.